In this video, we're going to show you how to properly set up your license plate capture camera and what plate capture cameras are meant to do. It's a very short clip. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vehicle passing by. On the right-hand side, you'll see a license plate capture camera looking at the tag as it passes by in real time. You'll notice that the video here on the right-hand side is very dark, while on the left-hand side, it's actually daylight out there. Plate cameras are supposed to do this where the video captured by the camera is going to be much darker than the lighting situation out there. So basically what I mean is, in daytime, your tag capture camera is going to see basically darkness and the plate's going to appear vibrant like this. So it's always a good idea when you're looking at an entry point to have a setup like this where you're using actually two cameras, like this one on the left hand side that gives you a wider angle of view so you can see the description, the make and the model of the vehicle. On the right hand side, the tag capture camera or the license plate capture camera does its job and monitors only the plate as it passes by. And it's always a good idea to focus in and make sure that the license plate is going to take up most of the real estate in the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Thanks again for watching.